Hey, it's Rob Jackson with Phandroid.com. I'm here with Andrew from LG, and we're at the LG G4 launch day in New York City, and we're going to take a quick look at low-light photography on the G4, so take it away.
Alright, so basically what we're showing with this demonstration here is how the LG G4 with a 16 megapixel camera and f1.8 aperture is allowed to get more light into the sensor so you can get the best low light shots possible. So we actually have some comparisons here. We do have a conventional f1.9 here. We have our G4 here in the middle at f1.8 and another conventional at 2.2. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a picture on each device. We're going to go ahead and take a look at it. So you're going to see not only you're going to get a brighter image on the G4 because of its wider aperture, but you're also going to get very accurate colors because of the color spectrum sensor, which we mentioned before. So you can see the red is more that real detailed red, and then when you zoom in on the other devices, first of all, you're going to notice it's a lot darker, and then ours, you can see more of that detail, as well as the colors are going to look a lot brighter as well. So our biggest benefit, since we do have that f1.8 aperture, is you'll be able to get more light in the sensor, so you're going to get a better low light shot. You're also going to get a greater color accuracy because of our color spectrum sensor, and it's just going to be a fantastic photo overall with any low light shot you have there, unlike what you would find on other devices in the market right now.
Yeah, I mean, that definitely is pretty grainy looking.
Yeah, that's also another thing to point out as well. See?
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool. And this is just a picture that's inside the box, right?
Well, actually, this is a full setup. So this you see here, this is actually like a little model town that they have in there. And then there's actually a yellow light in there. So if you actually, let's pan out on all the pictures real quick, you can see that they actually corrected it in the other ones, but on ours, it's giving you that accurate color. That was one of the biggest things with it. Being able to get it, exactly how you see it, because that's our biggest focus on here. Whether it's the display that we're using, or even the sensor and the camera with the f1.8 aperture, you're going to be able to get the most accurate colors. You're going to get the best low light shots. So you're going to get photos.
Is this model town in this box?
It is in this box. You can see this actual hole right here. We've made a little hole so you can see it. You see how
you can get it on the camera if you put it in there. I'm not going to be able to, but you can try.
You might not be able to. You can give it a try. It's really cool, so you can like put it together.
That's pretty neat.
So that was one of the things we wanted to point out, because you see that it is a different color here, but that's because it's the color of the light inside.
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah. Cool. Well, that's a real quick look at the improvements on low light photography on the brand new LG G4.